want to set it down and let it take video, zoom it in and let it take video, we'll get that.
Do it in slow-mo.
Alright guys,
Can you scoot back?
we talked about the 3 components, right?
Yeah.
3 components. So this is our explosive load. I got a blasting cap right here. That's our initiation source. And we got the power source. That's what's going to make the spark. Alright?
Are you recording right now?
Yeah, dude. About to be lit.
Yeah, it's not fun. Recording slow-mo. It's gonna be cool. It's not really fun. Everyone knows. Are you
I'm back recording so I can see it.
I gotta get on. Who's gonna blow it up this year? Me. No, last year Lieutenant did. Me. Daddy, you gonna blow it up this year? I want to blow it up. Chief is. Come on, I want to blow it up.
They don't want to start it yet.
Tell us when to start, because I want to record it too.
Everyone wants to. You want to watch a suitcase blow up?
Not recording yet.
Cameron's going to do it in slow-mo.
Well, actually, I'm going to edit it to be slow-mo. Because I didn't want to get 2 variations.
Yeah, you can't see it on this one.
Maybe you go put it up on that curve?
No, it just needs to be tilted slightly.
Are you recording right now? Mm-hmm. You are?
Recording for 2 minutes almost.
Yeah, I've been going for 90 seconds.
I would read it. I'm pretty sure.
Right.
Where's Chief Cotton?
What?
Where'd the Chief go?
He's right there.
I didn't know who's that or there.
That's one of the officers.
Hmm.
I'm not going to lie,
I thought he was the Chief.
Nah, that's the chief down there.
The chief's right there.
Yeah. They're clowns.
Bomb, baby, bomb!
What?
I'm still going to say that.
Yeah, we're
I'm
talking
going to
about the
move. Osborne won last year. They bet every year. They won last year.
Going on 2.5.
That'd be funny. You send us in the golf carts?
Okay, my hand's gonna die now.
I've been going for 2 minutes. Alright, I think we're getting there. Here we go. We're ready.
Okay, good.
Time to sit.
The Popo.
Yeah, everyone's coming out to see this. Oh, that's McCartney.
Oh yeah. Officer McCartney.
Countdown.
Yeah, we're going to start from 10.
Doesn't help that I've got the dead end.
Well, oh come.
Oh, really? Okay. Alright. We're recording for 2.5 minutes.
3 minutes. In
3 minutes, yeah.
10 seconds.
10.8,
No, not like that.
Decimal countdown.
Chief.
hexadecimal.
Alright Chief, you want to do the honors?
Lieutenant did it.
Blame it on me.
Guys, it's always good to have the highest ranking person set out the shot. Alright? That way.
So if it goes wrong,
That's right.
you can't say we didn't warn you.
Here we go.
Almost 4 minutes now.
3 minutes.
Record yet.
I've been recording for 3.5 minutes. I wanted to see, the build. It's going to do us a startle.
Same.
As compared to Yeah, being done that's a right. startle.
The walking is the best part.
I know I'm being done as well.
Can't get him into recording.
What?
Can't get that guy into recording.
We got a car on the ring road.
Or the bombsman glad was tight.
Car pass holes. What do you guys? You want to count down from 5?
10.
Count down from 10.
7.8.
Okay, so I'm just doing 3. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. So 10, 9,
Nina.
8, 7, 6,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Best one team!
My